Okay, the first step you need to take is to tap on your WhatsApp application for it to open. All right, once the app opens, you will see your recent chats. Okay, so tap on the settings icon. Here I'm using iPhone, and here it is at the bottom right. So I'll tap on settings. Then on tapping on settings, you will see some options. Select account. So tap on account. Alright, on tapping on account, this is to strengthen the security of your phone. Alright, so the next step you need to take is to tap on email address. This is a newly added feature. Alright, then this will show if there is any email address already linked when you were creating your account, your WhatsApp account. You will see it, but it's not confirmed yet. Okay, but if you don't have any email address on this page at all, tap on edit, all right, which is at the top right. Then this gives you some options, so tap on change email or anything that will allow you to add email depending on the term used in your own device. Okay, so you type your email address. Okay, that's the next step. Then after that, tap on next. On tapping on next, you will be required to enter the 6-digit pin. Alright, 6-digit code sent to your email address. So you may wait for it to pop up, or if it doesn't pop up, you swipe up to be taken to the home screen, then get to your email address and pick it. So here I entered the Gmail address, so let me go and pick the code. The first time I tried requesting for this code, right, it didn't work out. Okay, but after 4 days I tried the process again, and now the code has been sent to my email address. I will then go and copy it and have it here. All right, once you insert the code, tap on verify, and now this email address is verified and is added to my WhatsApp to strengthen the security.